Hello YouTube, another tool resto. We're going to use this and maybe a smaller one to get in. We have one that's smaller. We can't take the handle off. We repaired this. We put a screw and some epoxy in here. We drilled, that's a deck screw with the square drive. They're like a coated screw. They're probably a greenish colored whatever. It has a coating on them. They're not the black oxide. They're rust proof. We did that to fix a long time ago. We lost this hammer and then found it again. So you can tell that's why it's all rusted. We have scraped the varnish off. We've done that a while back. And we do have a little bit of linseed oil left. So we're going to put gun bluing on here. Not paint. So means we got some left. We probably got about a third of a bottle. But I've done my axe head. I never did a video on it. I've done my axe head. So this went a long ways. For $9 a bottle, I mean, you can do a lot of stuff with it. So stay tuned. I might bring you back for a couple short clips, but we'll bring you back after we get this buffed off. How's that sound? We'll keep this one real short. Let's talk more work. Okay, we're done with the scrubby wheel thing. Believe it or not, that's the only place I can't reach. If I would have had a longer shank on it, because this would have hit my chuck, I almost could have got down in there. This is almost good enough to polish and put shellac on it. It's a tool. It's going to be tool black. Gun bluing. Machinists probably call that stuff tool blackening or whatever. So put your tape on her so you don't hurt nothing. Leave it on there when you do the bluing too. We'll take the Dremel to that. There you go. Since it's a rough finish, it'll take that chemical better. So the rougher the metal is, the better it's going to soak in. So stay tuned for more. Sound like Paul Harvey. Okay, we're all done and oiled. Got the handle oiled. We found this hammer in an old corn crib on an old abandoned farm. It wasn't an abandoned farm. It was a farmstead. It was actually a settlement. They turned it into a wetlands for ducks, so it was public hunting. So it was finders keepers. And it's not an old hammer. It had a sticker on it from a hardware store. You can buy something similar at Home Supplies. It's just a little 1 pound or whatever hammer. But this is probably better than some of the newer ones. How they make stuff. But there you go. There's some different colors in there. You can kind of see it's kind of smeary. Look a little bit of blue. Camera don't show it. But yeah, kind of there you can see kind of some blue in there. But it's protected. We just put linseed oil on along with the handle. So thanks for watching. We'll leave you a few pictures of it.